So this is a demonstration of the MoDCom HMI application talking to the pickaxe. The pickaxe controller is connected into this base station of the robot. There's actually a sensor underneath this area here, and in actual fact tucked away in the gearbox is also a motor gearbox modification. We've got a couple of mods in this base station which I'm calling the A-axis, and what I'm going to show you now is the MoDCom HMI application using the robot control protocol or program that I've written. And basically what this thing is going to do, it's going to talk RPC, and we'll see that this axis moves. So what I've got here is a simulation, and with the simulation I can send commands. I'll show you how to do it in a moment, but essentially what we're going to do is just move the axis to the counterclockwise. You see the move counterclockwise, we can single step it, and we can see that it's moving as per the previous video or the other video. If I press the home, that's H for home, and we're now going to slow mode, index through and find it right there. Good. The interlock's currently turned on, so the interlock is on the pickaxe to stop it from picking up the next command. I have to turn that off. In actual fact, if I move to the next command, it will automatically turn the interlock off. So the interlock prevents it from getting the next command, and it should have reset it, but it didn't for some reason. So let's just move it to the in the clockwise direction. You can hear it going away, and then I can bring it back as per the other video. So this is just manually moving the thing. I can press home and it will swing it around. What it will do is, as normal, just stay to the. Let's just press. Oh, it's a daisy. I pressed the wrong button. Try and get it back home again. There we go. And that'll take it home. Okay, so what have we got here? We've got a reset command, and how does it do all this? This is, I'll just expand that so I can turn it off. I'll turn off the MoDCom application. Essentially, MoDCom, as we saw I saw on the pickaxe forum a month or so ago. It's an interface tool, and it's running a series of procedures stored within inside these buttons. So we'll just have a look inside one of them. If we look outside the this one here, we can see it's a programmable interface. Once I put the password in, I can now look at the code. It's actually you can see that the text is here, which is very simple, and I've got a run sequence, and there's a series of commands in here. I can send it a single command, a transmitter command. I'll show that in a moment, but this is going to run a sequence called A-axis counterclockwise, and I'll show you what that looks like. A-axis counterclockwise. It's a series of strings, and if we looked at the post-processor for exactly the same command, we would see these values. So essentially what we've got here is lower the interlock, wait for the pickaxe to respond, and that's the lower the lamp, and the lamp is actually the lamp on the screen inside of the mod mode tool. Wait for that to happen. Oh, sorry. Transmit a speed movement, a feed or speed. This is what this code means. This is execute that. After that execute, internally the pickaxes all talk, and they'll all lower the interlock, and that 1 means that it was an interlock key of 1. It's complicated, but it works. This is now lower the interlock again. This is move the A-axis a number, and these two numbers relate to the number of steps to move, and that number is the two numbers I dumped into two variables, which are then rated in hexadecimal, of course by the pick, and that will tell me whether that's a counterclockwise or a clockwise number, depending on how it's been encoded. Pretty simple stuff. This is an execute command, and then turn these lamps off. So if we then look at that command again, we'll see it if I just click on it and put it in run mode. It just flicks it across, and then I can bring it back to home. If very quickly, we just undo that interlock there, what we can do, some clever stuff in here. So we've got a manual control for the same robot, and this is essentially talking RS-232 direct to the pickaxe. So this is communicating down, and it's just a way of manually controlling it. The target is to use it programmatically, of course. Okay, alright, video over.